Hey everyone, thanks for tuning back in. Had some great action. Got some otters, got some sandalings, got some ruddy turnstones, got some nice songbirds doing some stuff. Got some of the winter migrants coming in. We got going on there. Me and Jody has had some great time. This one's pretty much going to be all video because the opening two is the ruddy turnstone coming right at me and the sandling. I'm very thrilled about that. So you'll really like this episode. Thank you for coming back. Well, that was great to start off like that. It was, we had some beautiful horn locks and so. This is over the last couple of weeks. Certainly, it's been something else, and I see someone creeping in on the side over there. So we're just gonna get right back into it because I know something's coming.
No.
Well, think that was absolutely beautiful with the grebe with the minnow. Huh? That was very special sighting for me and Jody, for sure. Nice hoodie McGanns is all, they're my faves, one of my faves anyhow. And certainly we had that beautiful, also red breasted McGanns is in there. And we had some other beautiful stuff in there. The swan, the young swan. Me and Jody actually did come across a swan that was deceased this weekend, and it was at a local pond that this swan has really, really done a number on swans in the future. I actually literally in one day saw it kill two other swans, so I noticed it's a very dominant swan, and with the ice buckling in and stuff, like coming in and making less and less places for them to go, I would not want to land near that pond because that swan has a history of just carnage. Uh, just share that crazy story with you, but thank you. Well, that's going to wrap up this video. Hopefully, we're going to get some more photos out there with me and Jody out there next week. I got so much stuff backlogged. I threw a few of that stuff in this week. I hope you don't mind that. Of course, who else comes? Just a total mess on TV. Doesn't care what they look like. You know, you never know what you get. So just come on and see me. Come on and see us. And enjoy the world. Peace.